Hi, I'm Lawrence with Solus Decor, and today we're going to be talking about fixing intermittent ignition issues that can sometimes arise at the start of the season. Today we're going to be using a compressed gas duster, and I'm going to show you how we can quickly and easily use that to clear out a pilot assembly, helping the ignition process. When using the compressed gas duster, we want to make sure that the long nozzle is attached. This is going to help to make sure we can get the gas into the smaller holes on the pilot assembly. You can find your pilot assembly within your wind guard, and it's the larger of the three objects that are found in there. So depending on the model and the year of your fire feature, you might have a slightly different looking pilot assembly, but they are all going to have holes around this top section, as you can see just here. So you will take your compressed gas duster, put the edge of the nozzle to the hole and give that a good spray. Trying to get the gas inside the pilot assembly so we can see that that's coming out the sides. That's perfect. After using your compressed gas duster, you have to remember that this is highly flammable. So rather than just trying to light your feature right away, I take a long nose lighter, put it in there, give it a quick click, and just see if any plume of gas is going to go up. As we see that. Once you've finished cleaning your pilot assembly, you are free to light your feature, whether it is with a manual ignition using a lighter or an automatic ignition on a switch. So we'll give that a go now. There we go, a really easy ignition and some great yearly aftercare.